Today we're back with 5 more of the best Amazon FBA deals which you can actually sell. And as always, we've saved the best until last, so make sure to stick around till then. So welcome back to the Profitl channel. Please do hit that subscribe button for Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. As we post every month, we've got the next installment of our series, Top 5 Amazon FBA Deals. Now this series is where we display 5 Amazon FBA deals which we've sent into our Deal of the Day feature in our Discord. So what is the Deal of the Day feature? So I'll make it pop up on the screen, but it's where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers for free, just to give them some inspiration on the types of products out there, what offers are on currently, where should they be sourcing, and if they're new to Amazon FBA, how does it all work? Now, as always, we do like to be transparent with people that we don't really recommend to buy these deals, just because we do have over 5,000 people in our Discord, so they do get seen by a lot of people, and we do put a disclaimer in Discord as well not to buy these. People do choose to ignore this and they do end up buying them, so what can happen is the prices can often plummet and lots of sellers do come on the listing. All prices and data is correct at the time of recording. Just use these deals today as inspiration, and there's a good chance you'll be able to find other deals from them on the same website, or there's offers on and so on. Now, alongside that disclaimer, don't forget you are going to be gated in a lot of these products. If you do want to learn how to get ungated, I'm going to link a video just up here which takes you through all the steps, so make sure to check that out if you want to learn how to easily get ungated when selling on Amazon using the arbitrage method. So that's enough introduction, let's get into the video and the products. So deal number 1, this is from the website The Range, and this is a slightly different deal because it's a multi-pack. So how does that work? Well, this product is this oil extract which we can buy for £1 each. Now on Amazon, a pack of 3 is selling for £8.59. We're going to have to buy them and then combine them into a pack of 3, and that will then be classed as 1 unit. So whereas with most FBA deals you'll just be buying a single product, with a multi-pack deal you're actually buying multiple, combining them into one is a great way of making profit on Amazon. So let's run through the data using the Profitl Chrome extension. I'll just show you the basics of the data. If we was actually going to buy it, we'd be doing a lot more analysis, but I'll show you the core basics. So sales, firstly, 7 to 27 units a month, so not a huge seller. We can see it was a popular product, so 4-star and 40 reviews. Number of sellers, we've got 7 FBA sellers on the listing, so we'd always check how much stock they have as well. And then of course the all important profit breakdown, so £1.84, but that's not the important metric. The important metric is the return on investment. So ideally we want 30% as a minimum, just gives us a bit of wiggle room if the prices do change, and the return on investment is more important than profit because it all depends on how much we're actually buying the item for. If we're spending £100 on an item to get £1.84 profit, that's not really worth it. But if we're only spending £3 to get £1.84, then of course that is worth it. And then finally, we always check the Profitl ranking. This just looks at all the important data in the background to give us a score out of 100. So this one's 66 out of 100 and it's a good buy. Now, if we run through the profit range on this product, with these sales of 7 to 27 units a month and this profit of £1.84, that's going to give us a potential monthly profit range of £12.88 up to £49.68. Now, it is important to remember that you won't end up with all of that profit, and that is a recurring theme throughout the video because you may not be able to buy that much stock, the price may change, you're not going to have the buy box the whole time. That is the profit this listing does actually make as a whole if you was buying it for that amount. So now on to deal number 2, and this one's from the website The Entertainer. So this one is this Battle Strike action figures and trading cards. We can buy it for £13.19. It sells on Amazon for £27.90, so a nice difference on this one. This one had really good sales, so 63 up to 87 units a month, good reviews as well. Had a fantastic Profitl ranking, so 87 out of 100, that is a really, really good ranking. And only 6 other FBA sellers, and the profit £6.88 per unit, giving us a return on investment of 51% after all of our fees. Now, to take you through the profit range again on this item, with the sales of 63 to 87 a month and a profit of £6.88, that gives us a very healthy profit range of 433 all the way up to £598 every single month. Now, before we did get into the next deal, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which will save you some money on your Profitl subscription. If you don't know what Profitl is, we are a deal analyzer. We also have a DealFinder. We have a wholesale scanner. We have an amazing community. So this discount code, which will pop up just here, is going to save you either 5% on yearly plans. Yearly plans already have over 50% off, or 20% on monthly plans. So make sure to take that down if you are looking to save some money on your Profitl subscription. Now on to the third deal, and this one wasn't as good as some of the others, but we just wanted to give you a variety of websites you can actually be sourcing your products from. So this one is from Dunelm, and it's this vegetable peeler which we can buy for £2. So let's head over to Amazon and see how much it's selling for on there. And we can see it selling for £8.47. A really nice price difference there, which is always the first thing we're looking for. Now, it wasn't a huge seller, only 12 to 28 units a month, but it did have a very healthy return on investment, so 109%, giving us £2.39 profit per unit. But the Profitl ranking was only 55 out of 100, but there was definitely potential on this product. Going over the profit range for this one, with the listing sales of 12 to 28 units a month and our profit of £2.39 per unit, that will give us a profit range of about £28 all the way up to £66. So moving on to the fourth deal now, and we're heading over to Tesco, and Tesco is a great place for finding online arbitrage deals and of course retail arbitrage deals as well. So this one is this flash speed mop refill pad, and this one was another multi-pack deal. So a pack of 2 was selling on Amazon for £15.95, so it's going to be costing us £7 per unit to return £15.95. So good sales on this one, 63 up to 177 units a month. One thing to bear in mind on this one was it's a brand new listing, and that's important because it means the price might be high right now. There's a good chance the price may drop. You do just need to bear that in mind. But it had a good profit, £3 profit per unit, 42% return on investment, only 6 other FBA sellers, and a Profitl ranking of 87 out of 100. So running you through the profit range figures, with these sales of 63 up to 177 and the profit of £3 per unit after our fees, that gives us a potential profit range of £189 all the way up to £531. Now onto our fifth deal, which arguably could be the best one out of all of these, and this is another multi-pack one, so a common theme in today's video. We found loads of multi-pack deals, but this one was this Baker's Dental Delicious Treat. So we could buy one of these for £1.65. Pack of 4 was selling on Amazon for £17.50, so it's going to cost us £6.60 to combine these into a single unit. It had great sales, 65 to 114 units a month, making 69% return on investment and £4.66 profit per unit. Only 6 other FBA sellers and a Profitl ranking of 80 out of 100, so a good deal overall. And with these listing sales of 65 to 114 and the profit of £4.66, that will give us a potential profit range on this product of 302 all the way up to 531. Now if we add up all these profit ranges together, that's going to give these products a potential profit of 966 all the way up to 1,777. I know I mentioned before about the disclaimer, that is the profit for all these items, all of the sellers on the listing. You're not going to be able to get that much stock. You're going to be competing against other sellers to get the buy box. The prices may even drop as well. But what we hope it does show you is the pure potential of Amazon FBA, because those 5 deals we've showed you today are just 5 out of many thousands of deals which are out there every single month. We send in close to 100 deals just into our Deal of the Day feature, and on our DealFinder we send in tens of thousands of deals, so there really is opportunity absolutely everywhere. The key with Amazon FBA is just working hard. When you do start with Amazon FBA, you're going to find it really hard. Finding deals is tough. We probably make it look quite easy because we've been doing it quite a long time. But finding deals can take you hours and hours and hours of searching. You often may find absolutely nothing, but the key is just sticking at it. It does become so much easier the more time you do spend doing it. So that's all for today's video. We hope you found it interesting. Please do hit that subscribe button for Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. It really does help our channel. But thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.